This was not just an event. This was a movement. The streets became our mission field. Ordinary moments turned into divine encounters, and young people, just like you, stepped out in boldness. We didn't just gather, we went. We didn't just watch, we witnessed. We didn't just speak, we declared. Through every smile, every conversation, every step of faith, God was moving. But this is not where it ends. Will you stay comfortable or will you step out? Will you keep silent or will you speak? Because the same fire you see here is the same fire inside you. Go beyond the walls. Reach the unreachable. Be bold. Be unashamed. Be the light. The time is now. The streets are waiting. Your generation is waiting. Heaven is watching. And the question is not if God will move. The question is, will you?
लेकिन ये आपकी प्रार्थना है
Ông try Jesus.
कहे परमेश्वर यीशु
Kau baru pini ông jam yang kini kejing tuai. Ông try Jesus.
परमेश्वर यीशु
Hak ini ke janmit.
आज की इस शाम
Ngalayok snow.
मैंने सुना है
Ya ka kubor ke jong me.
तेरे सच्चाई
The time is now. You were chosen to carry the fire. Light up the streets. So go. Burn bright.